And out with the puck is McCann. Tips it to the side. Baertschi with a shot. Another save for Talbot. And then Baertschi finished off by Nurse, and he takes exception to that, and he's got 4 Oilers on him. McCann rips off his helmet. Still trying to get in there. Dan Hamhuis hanging back, but he might have to come in at some point, trying to keep the face-off deep in the Oilers zone, because they're not slowing down here. And Maroon being pulled away by the linesman.
Nurse does a nice job, angle, keeps Baertschi wide, and then just finishes him. And Baertschi didn't like the fact that Nurse did finish him after the goalie had the